Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make another diagonal fold pocket card. And you might remember these that we made on previous videos. Let me show you these really quick. So here is one that makes a double pocket on the inside. I'll have all the links to these videos below this video. So this was one that we made. And then here's another one that was a diagonal fold. Do you remember that one? That's cool. That we made for the Wishing You a Dapper Day. Okay. All right, so this one, let me show you how this one's going to open up. Okay, so this is the one we're going to make today. So this one's going vertical, and this is the front, and this is a little pocket as well. And I'm going to make the card with you, but we're not going to really do any stamping, but we're going to assemble the card. And then you open it up, and here is the pocket on this side. Super cute, right? Okay, so then this one is going horizontal, so this one opens up like this. Isn't that awesome? And then this is using the brand new Share What You Love bundle items, the designer paper, the stamp set, and this is available May 1st through May 31st. So you can get all the information about this amazing bundle on my blog, and then also the links below this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me give you all the measurements. So we're going to start with a piece of 8.5 by 11, and we're going to cut and score this piece together. But let me give you all the measurements of the layers. So the inside pieces are the Whisper White, and these are both cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then for the front of the card, I'm using the Blackberry Bliss, and this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then your inside pocket right here, this little pocket, it doesn't even have to come out if you don't want it to be coming out. So, but I'm having mine as a pocket. So this piece of Blackberry Bliss is cut at 2 3/4 by 4. And then this Whisper White piece is cut at 2.5 by 3 3/4. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock. I'm using the Mint Macaron and the Blackberry Bliss. And these are both cut at 3 by 3 3/4. Okay, so let's grab our paper trimmer. Okay, so we're going to make our pocket card, and it's going to be really super easy. So you're going to first score at 4 1/4 on the 8.5 inch side. So 4 1/4, and then you're going to turn it and score at 5 1/2. Okay, so you should have 4 squares on your piece of cardstock. Okay, so now we're going to cut and remove one of these squares. I'm going to remove the bottom right. So I'm just going to follow the score line. All right, so now your card should look like this. Now we're going to grab our paper trimmer again. And this time we're going to cut at a diagonal. So we're going to cut from this point of this score line right here down to this point right here. So you're just going to line the points up on the track of your trimmer. Just like that. And then you're going to cut. Okay. So now this is going to make your pocket card right here. So you're going to fold this section up and then fold this part over to make your card. Isn't that great? Let me grab my bone folder. Love it. So then there's your pocket. Okay, so now we're going to do some more trimming. So we're going to take our 2 pieces. Remember, this is the Blackberry Bliss and the Mint Macaron, and these are both cut at 3 by 3 3/4. And we're going to angle cut these as well. So we're just going to put the point to point on the track. Okay, so then there's the 2 for the Blackberry Bliss. So we're going to mix them up. So we're going to put one of each color so you have enough to make 2 cards. Okay, so that's all with the paper trimmer. All right, so let's bring in our pieces. And we're just going to use the Mint Macaron and the Blackberry Bliss. And then for our inside part of our card, all we're going to do is we're going to add the Whisper White layers. The 4 by 5 1/4. So let me go ahead and adhere these to the inside. Okay, and then this piece is going to fold up. So I'm going to put adhesive just along this edge right here. You could also use tear and tape if you want. Okay, so then that's going to make your little pocket card to slide in money or a gift card or pictures. Isn't that awesome? All right, now to decorate the card. Now you might remember, if you visit my blog often, you know that we're doing card sketches every Monday. And this was actually a card sketch that I just took and made it for this card. So let me show you that. So here is the card sketch. And this was actually card sketch number 23. And once again, the pocket is adhered into the pocket of the front of the card, which I didn't do that for this one, so I can take that pocket out. And that's what I'm doing for this one today. But all the measurements for card sketch number 23 are posted on my blog, so you can locate those really easy up in the gallery. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and adhere all these pieces together. Okay, now we're going to take our 2 diagonal pieces. So one's going to go like this, and then one is going to go like this. Or you could have it go underneath. I think yeah, this is the way I have this one here. So I think maybe I'll do it different. Maybe I'll put it over on this side, like this. Put it there, and then I'll put this one maybe on the underneath part like that. Yeah, that looks good. All right, let's do this one. All right, so now remember, if you want to keep it as a pocket, you don't want to put any adhesive on these outside edges here, only on the bottom and the sides, okay? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and lay this one down first. And then this one on top of that. Isn't it cute? Aren't those colors really pretty together? And then for the little pocket part that's going to slide right in the front of the card, let me show you here like this. See? And we're going to go ahead and add the Whisper White piece. Okay, so then this is going to slide into the front layer like that. So you can put another greeting on there, or when you remove it, you can actually stamp another greeting there as well. Such a cute little card. All right, now we're going to add this to the front of the Rich Razzleberry. Isn't that awesome? There's your really cute diagonal fold inside pocket card. Love it. And then this one I added another piece of Whisper White as a second layer behind the Blackberry Bliss to make it pop. And then of course I added a bunch of rhinestones. Aren't those beautiful? And then I added the inside to kind of bring the inside to the outside. All right, so that's how you make that really cute pocket card. And let me show you the other one. Now this is the one that's using the Share What You Love bundle. It's available right now. And then this is the pocket up here for the inside of the card. Adorable. Okay, so I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.